Hello everyone and welcome back. Unless you're new here, then welcome. I'm gonna get a few things out of the way. Yes, I'm in another new location. Am I gonna be in a new location every video? Probably not. Maybe. Who knows? Another thing to get out of the way. Yes, I see my bra strap. I know it's there, but I am too lazy to go change my bra. So Halloween is right around the corner. Everyone is getting their costumes ready, their decorations ready, and a lot of people, like myself, get great enjoyment out of dressing their dogs up for Halloween. Jenna Marbles has done this every year for like a while. I don't want to estimate because I don't know, but I felt very inspired to dress my dogs up for Halloween. I'm making their costumes this year because dog costumes are stupid expensive, and I thought I could probably make something that looks halfway decent because I know a little bit about sewing. So that is the adventure that we're going to go on today. Come along with me. Forewarning, my hair in the next few clips looks awful, and I realized that when I got home. So I've come up with an idea driving to Joann Fabrics. I think I want Finn to be an astronaut, like the orange jumpsuit kind, but I can't decide what I want Riley to be. I think mostly I'll have to buy orange. I don't really know what else I'll have to buy. These old people just left Total Wine with a cart and same. Anyway, I think I've decided since Finn's an astronaut, maybe I can come up with some sort of alien princess outfit for Riley. So maybe some purples and greens. The problem with Riley is that she will not let you do as much stuff to her as Finn will. Finn does not care what you do to him because, I don't know, but Riley's a lot more finicky, so it has to be something that is easy to put on and that she won't be trying to rip off. So that's a problem. Also, if the camera's shaking a lot, sorry, I have shaky hands. Why is all the good fabric expensive? I love it. So I got everything I need, I believe. I hope so, because I'm not going back out again. I'll get started when I get home. Let's get started, shall we? So I think what I'm going to do first is measure them, obviously, because I have a rough idea of what I want to do for both of them, so I don't really need to do much planning, but I should probably know, lengths and stuff. So I'll do that right now, and we'll have a little introduction. So let's see who comes over here first, and that is who we will be starting with. Hey! Finn! Riley, come here! Oh no. Oh, Finn wins! Hello! Hi, Riley. Riley, we'll have to measure you in a moment, okay? So, let's talk about Finn. Finn is 6 years old. Are you 6 years old? Yeah, he is 6 years old. We don't know what he is, so don't ask us. And he's a good boy. His favorite things to do are to eat and beg and not do what we ask. He's a good little guy. Okay, Finn, so let's start with your measurements. Let's start with your neck. You enjoyed licking my leg? Did they even see your face? No, come back here, come back here, come right here. Okay, so let's do your neck at, was that a scary sound? Okay, let's do it at 18 inches. I think that'll be a comfortable amount for you. No, Finn, come here. I'm not done with you. Arms, from there to here, let's say 11 inches. I'm not gonna do his whole body because he's gotta pee. Let's do 14 inches. Your little round body. Oh, what a trim guy. You got a waist of let's, again, to make it comfortable, let's do 25. So actually, sorry, you're not as trim and cute. Sorry, buddy. You are 20, let's do 27 and a half, okay? Oh, I'm so sorry. Was that hard for you? Riley, your turn. Come here, Riley. Riley, come right here. Okay, lady, come here. So we're mostly gonna do your neck and your waist. So Riley is 4 years old. We got her when she was 1, just about 1. And she's a nice lady. She's a little skittish, but she's a nice lady. Ooh, you got a robust neck, Riley. You're 19 inches. Yeah, let's do 19. 19 inches, lady. No, come right here. Riley, come right here. No, come here. She's trying to get on the couch. It's okay. You're okay, lady. Oh, that's centimeters. Okay, so from your neck to your back. God, you're afraid. Let's do 18 from your neck to your back. And then let's just get in one fell swoop, Riley. It's okay. I'm only gonna put a skirt on you. Let's do 26. Let's put it actually up here. Okay, 26. And what did I say for here? Ooh. 26 to 17. Good girl! You can see how dressing Riley is going to be difficult, and Finn won't be as hard because she's nervous. You're nervous. Now that I have my measurements, I guess I can get started on the cutting. This is gonna be real interesting because I don't have a sewing machine. I don't know how to use a sewing machine. And I've never made a full outfit before, so this is gonna be great. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with Finn's because I'm hoping that if Riley sees Finn like in his outfit and not being upset about it, that she'll, oh, there's lots of purple sparkles from that. Hopefully she'll see him and she'll be like, he's having a good time. So this is how much I have. I think it's enough. Ooh, we'll see. What is the longest that I need? Okay, 26 inches. Oh yeah, I'll have enough. This will be fine. This will be good. I will have enough. I think I'm gonna start with the sleeves first. And then attach the sleeves. Oh. Yeah, I guess I'll just attach the sleeves. And yeah. I'll get back to you when I have the sleeves made because that will be a lot of wasted footage if you watch me sitting here make the sleeves.
One eternity later.
It took me about an hour to do one sleeve. And as I'm putting this, you know, the right way, I already think it's going to be too small. I added an extra inch, but yeah, I don't think it's gonna be good. Finn, sit up. Finn. Finn. Finn, get up. Sit up. Okay. You know what? Let's just try it like this. So, hang on. Oh no. Ooh, baby. Catching on your oh, you know what? You know what? Queen. Clearly. I need to make it bigger. God, it took me 1 hour to make one sleeve. I think I'm gonna just go to the body because that's more important. If I run out of fabric, okay, you pulled that off. If I run out of fabric for the arms, then that's okay. But if I don't have enough fabric for the body, that is not okay. I'll see you in a little bit.
One eternity later.
Come right here. Finn, get up. Get up. Get up. So I've changed my mind about how I'm going to do this. I'm going to kind of wrap it around him and mark it. I have an idea of where I want it to end up. Wow. you gonna stay right here, Finn? What a good boy. I'll cut a head hole right there. That'll be good. Okay, you're done for now. Good boy. Test it out. No. Oh, okay, hang on, Bubby. Ugh. What I'm gonna do is just test this. I'll obviously fix the head hole because this is ratchet right now. Wow! Oh! What a beautiful little guy. Do you feel like an astronaut yet? Wow, you're being a very good model, Finn. Okay, good boy. Wow, good boy. Finn, get up. Get up. He's right off camera. I suppose I should come. Finn! No, not you. We're not done with you. It's not your turn. It's not your. Oh, okay. Come. Not you. Good listener, but it's not for you. I'm glad I left that extra fabric there. Wow. Okay. You kind of already have sleeves, Finn. Maybe I don't need to make you sleeves. Is that okay? Okay. I went sewing while I did so, and then I decided I should just Velcro. So I undid the sewing and Velcro. I don't know what to do, Bubby. Yeah, you know what? I think I'll do that. Watch out for your head. No, don't walk away. I like that you're completely facing the wrong way. Uh-oh, that's not even. Oh, whatever. Wow! Little astronaut boy. You look very good for an astronaut.
One eternity later.
As you can tell by my outfit, it has not been one day. It has been 3 days since I started this. I didn't devote 3 days to this project. That would be ridiculous. But here we are on a Thursday. So I believe Finn's outfit is done. So why don't we call him in here? Oh, Riley's coming too. So this is maybe the completed project. Come here, Finn. The only thing I might change. Don't walk away. The only thing I might change is that I might add a little black stripe, like just here. But I wanted to get to Riley's outfit because she's been neglected for so long. So this is the look. Very beautiful, very couture. Now that I'm looking at it on this, I probably will put a black stripe. Okay, bye. I guess it's time to move on to Riley. Would you guys look at this? I didn't even tell her to go there, as she is ready for her close-up. Wow, that really made the lighting horrible. So I'm just gonna kind of test how much fabric I need. I think I'm gonna fold it twice, like, oh man, I don't know if that'll be enough. I might have to unfold it once and wrap it around you. Wow, lady, that is just so beautiful. Can you stand up so we can test it better? Beautiful, lady, couture designer model. Okay, well, I'm gonna put this together. Yeah, I have to be a little more careful with her outfit because she will be like, why are you touching me so much? I don't understand. No, it's not your turn, Finn. It's not your turn. Come here, Riley. Riley, come right here. No, Finn, it's not your turn. She's afraid of this. So what I did was I hot glued Velcro on, and then I cut the bottoms because I thought that might look good. Come right here. Want to put on your pretty little outfit? Wow, you look like a rocket ship, Riley. Well, you know what, Riley? I'm not sure how well that'll work. I think I'm gonna have to tweak it. Since it was too long, I cut it, and let's see if it works out better. So this video might just be Finn's costume because I am about ready to give up on Riley. She's just so skittish.
One eternity later.
So, she finally let me put it on her. As you can see, it does not fit well. However, I don't think she'll let me put it on her tighter. Oh, there it goes. It looks very pretty on you, Riley. So I'm concerned about the situation with her top because she already is so nervous about putting on the bottoms that like putting something actually over her more like how Finn's was. I'm uncertain how she'll deal with that. Come here, Riley. Hi, remember how I said this video was over? Well, I found a way to kind of complete the look. As you can see, beautiful girl. I think, honestly, I'm gonna go sit by her. I thought it would be stupid. Hi, Finn. I thought it would be stupid, but it's honestly not that bad. I think it kind of works for her. It's functional for her, and it looks mystic. So, you know what? This was a win. Good job, Riley. That's it. Family portrait. Family portrait. Well, here they are together, kind of. I think it was kind of a success. So, at my previous self. So happy. Don't lick my armpit. Don't lick my armpit. All right. This is the end. Like, subscribe, comment. Comment that. Bye.